Okay, group, we're on our 5.3 notes, example 3. Here, let me see if I can get a little bit closer. Okay, there we go. All right, it says triangle ABC was dilated by a scale factor of K, and the center of dilation is at the origin. What is the scale factor? So if you just pick whatever points you want, I'm going to do point A. So original point A is at, it looks like -3, 0. Okay, and our new A is at, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like -7.50. So we want to figure out what do we multiply, to get from -3 to -7.5. So if we take -3 times 2, we know that that's -6. So let's kind of creep up. So if we do -3 times 3, that's 9. So we know it's going to be somewhere in between 2 and 3. So what if we try 2.5? Oop, look, that gets us there, -7.5. So 2.5 is our scale factor. So K would be 2.5. Okay, let's go ahead and tackle example 4 here. Refocus a little bit. There we go. All right, it says complete the statement to show that triangle RST maps onto the triangle PYZ. Okay, so first we're going to do a rotation. And so if you look at our rotation, when we talked about rotations, we know that if we go to one to the left, that is 90 degrees counterclockwise. If we go 2 quadrants, that's 180 degrees counterclockwise. 3 quadrants is 270 counterclockwise. So since we ended up here, that's only 2 quadrants away, it should be 180 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, now the rule for 180 is that you flip. You don't flip the points. You change the signs on both. So if we look at R, okay, so R for example, I'm going to write our rule there. So R is at 1, 1. Okay, so a new R should be at -1, -1, which new R corresponds to P. Okay, so new P would be at -1, -1. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. And then our second is a dilation by a scale factor of something. Okay, so if we're at 1, 1, and we want P to be at, -1, -1, and we want P to be at -2, -2, to get from here to here, we dilate by 2. Because it's at -1, -1. To get to -2, -2, you multiply each by 2. So we know that we did a rotation of 180, and then we did a scale factor of 2.